Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review Ads2List by Cyril. Now, Ads2List is releasing today on 20th of March at 11 a.m. EST. So we're straight onto the pre-launch page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of Ads2List. Then I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of Ads2List. I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs upgrades and what are the features inside each of those OTOs upgrades or upsells you want to say of Ads2List, and what are the pricing point, and are they really worth to get right now, or you can get it later on. But the most important thing which I'm going to be sharing with you is my bonus, and I'm going to be sharing with you one of my self-hosted autoresponder. I'm going to be telling you why in a sec, because this software is all about getting unlimited leads from Google and YouTube straight into your autoresponder. Now, if you're an experienced list builder, you know for a fact that autoresponders are the really important thing in your online business, and to safeguard your email list for a longer term is really important. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you a bonus, which is a self-hosted autoresponder. I'm going to give you my personal contact of a guy who is setting up all this software for me. I just need to upload my list and send out emails to my personal list. Okay, and also I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of my self-hosted autoresponder, and I'm going to be sharing with you live in this demo how the email hits the inbox. Okay, I have already opened my Gmail account over here. So after I finished up the software demo of Ads2List, I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of my self-hosted autoresponder, and how I send emails and how my email land in inbox, not in spam. I'm going to be showing you it live so that you know what I'm offering you as a bonus is it's really awesome. Okay, so stay till the end because you're going to be loving this self-hosted autoresponder. I'm not going to be charging you a lot. I'm just going to be giving you the guy if you get Ads2List through the link right below this video. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what is basically Ads2List. Okay, Ads2List is a software which is gonna get you unlimited leads right off Google Ads and YouTube Ads. So that means first make it clear in your mind that you need to create either a Google ad or a Facebook, either a YouTube ad to get this leads from there to your autoresponder. Now, what the best thing about this is you're going to be getting a real email address, okay? Because we are extracting leads or getting leads right from the Google Ads, okay? So nobody can fake it, okay? Even if people don't even have to type in their email address. Once they click on that submit button, which is kind of an opt-in button, their real Gmail address are going to be really added into your autoresponder. So let me show you the software demo of Ads2List.
Hello and welcome to the Ads2List demo. This is your best friend in internet marketing, Cyril. And in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how powerful Ads2List is and how you can build a great list using Google Ads and Ads2List without a break. Let's get started by adding an autoresponder to Ads2List. So I'm going to go to the sidebar, click on the autoresponders button here, and I've got the autoresponders that I've added. I've added one SendGrid account already, and I'm going to add a new autoresponder. Click on Add Autoresponder, and you have a huge list of autoresponders to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and add my SendGrid account again. You're going to need the API key for SendGrid, so I will just go to SendGrid, click on Create API, and I can set it up in a moment. So I've set up my API key, create, I need to give it a name, I'll just call it test. So I've got my API key for SendGrid, I copied it, come back to Ads2List, paste it, and click on authorize. So it's already authorized, and I can just sync my list by clicking on the sync list button. I can see that it found 4 lists. So every autoresponder has its own unique system to authorize and to connect to Ads2List, and we have that inbuilt in Ads2List with separate authorization, the required authorization for each autoresponder. All you need to do is just follow instructions inside Ads2List and you will be good to go. And now that I've added my autoresponder, the second step is creating a lead form that will send the leads to the autoresponder. So go to the lead form section, click on add lead forms, give your lead form a name like my lead form or whatever you want to call it. Click on add lead form and that's it. It's already done. Now go into campaigns. This is the final step. Click on add campaign. Give it a name like my lead form, #2 or whatever you want to call it. Then you need to collect the lead form. We just created my lead form. I connected it. And then select the autoresponder that you want to work with. We already have integrated SendGrid. Then finally select the list that you want to send the leads to. Ads2List is automatically going to fetch all your lists from your autoresponder, show you them in a nice little box. You can just select the one that you want to work with. Finally, click on Add Campaigns. That's it. Your campaign is created, and when you go to the campaigns view again, you will see your new campaign right over here. And here you've got copy codes for Google Ads. Click on it and you have your Google Ads webhook that you need to paste in. And now I'm going to show you how to connect this to Google Ads and get your leads flowing. Alright, so here I am in Google Ads and I will just start off a new campaign. And this time I will select the objective leads because I want a lot of leads from Google. And then I will use the kind of campaign type I want. I'm going to go with search for now. And finally, you want to reach your goal using lead form submissions. Click on that, click on continue. Now you've got a default name, let's let it be this, let's let it be that. And then you can select your targeting, just like usual, do your targeting, do your marketing, like usual, do your work like usual, put in a budget, like I'm gonna put in 1,000 rupees and put in your target CPA. It totally depends on the niche that you're targeting. It totally depends on the market that you're targeting. So I'm just going to go with the defaults because this is a test campaign. Finally, I need to connect this ad to a lead form extension to a lead form, and I can do that by clicking on new lead form extension. I have one there already, but I'm going to create a new one. Click on new and then just put a call to action. You can select a call to action over here, like learn more, whatever you want. Put some text over here. Sign up to get free access or whatever your call to action is. You can choose from a list here too. Put a headline. Then this is your lead form. Google is going to show you how the lead form is going to look. So just give it your headline, get free access to my amazing course. To the course, you have to of course adhere to the requirements. Free IM course, whatever I want to pitch, get your access by filling in the form below. And this form is actually going to be pre-filled, so I'm just going to change this to submitting the form below because Google is automatically for the customer's name, the prospect's name, and the email ID here. I don't have to get them to type it. And you know what happens when this sort of thing happens. People just sign up on an impulse. They just click on the submit button because all the information is right over there and your opt-in rates really boost up. So we want the email and the name, but if you want, you can also ask for the phone number. So if you've got a local business and you want to call your leads, you can ask for your phone number, whatever you want. It's in your hands. Finally, you need to select a background image. I'm going to just go for a default background image that I had there earlier. And this can be a company logo, this can be a product photo. In this case, it's a product photo, and it's gonna be beautifully added to the top of your. So you can see the image is right over here. Finally, put in the description after the form is submitted. Thank you for signing up. And you can get them to visit a website. So if you want them to visit a particular URL, maybe you want to sell them something, maybe you want to direct them to a landing page, you can do that. And you can change the button code to claim your offer using the button below. Or you can pitch absolutely anything you want. And then this is where the magic happens, the lead delivery options. Without Ads2List, this is your only option. Download collected leads in an ad extension table. It's just a spreadsheet. You can't do much with it because it's not going into your autoresponders and you're not going to be able to mail them. But with Ads2List, you can use Google's webhook option. Just go back to Ads2List. We have created a campaign. You just saw me do it. Click on Google Ads webhook. This is your webhook URL, which is unique to your campaign. Come back to Google, paste it, go back to Ads2List. You got your key over here. Copy the key, paste it, and click on Send Test Data. Now Google is sending data to Ads2List, and if this data is sent successfully, this mark will be in like your screen right now, and you know that your lead form is working. Just save the campaign and you're good to go. So my lead form is created, my ad is running, and if I go into my campaigns now, hold on, I just need to save and continue. And my ad is published right now. I can target my ad group name. I can put in my keywords as usual, whatever you want to do, whatever the way you want to target, you can do that. I'm not going to go into that because that is not a part of this demo. But here, back to this software, back to Ads2List, I'm going to go into my lead form. You can see that I did get a test from Google. This is the Google, this is the test record that Google sent us. And I can see that I did get it on today's date, and our lead form is working, our system is working, and the details are going into SendGrid. So I just went into my SendGrid account and I've got the list over here. I can see the test example is being fed into SendGrid and things are working just as they should. So guys, this is how easy it is to connect your autoresponder to Google Lead Gen and get your leads direct into your autoresponder from Google Ads and YouTube Ads.
Okay, so that was the software demo for Ads2List. I hope you have liked it. Now, this is the first software which is going to help you get high quality leads from Google Ads straight into your autoresponder ethically, legally. Okay, so let's see the pricing point of this Ads2List software. Now, there are two options over here. Either you can get it monthly for Elite. It's $10 per month, or you can get it one time for $47. Okay, if there is any discount coupon code for Ads2List, I'm going to be putting it right below this video in the description. So make sure before you go to the sales page by clicking the link below, check out the description in the third line and the fourth line. If there is any discount coupon code for Ads2List during this launch, I'm going to be putting it right below. Okay, so now let's see what are the OTO sort of upgrades. Okay, now the first OTO is going to be Ads2List Pro Upgrade, where you can have unlimited campaign, unlimited autoresponders, unlimited list, unlimited leads, universal adapter, ready-made sales page for Pro, and it's going to be like $67. Okay, now I'm going to be putting all this information right below this video in the description, so if you are in a hurry, you can check the description. Okay, the next OTO is going to be the second OTO, which is Ads2List Agency at $96. Agency buyers can sell Ads2List to their customers using a funnel and keep 100% of the profits. You can also get a ready-made sales page to help it sell immediately. Okay, if you have a local client database, you can use this as your own product. Okay, with this OTO, and it's going to be like $96. Now the next OTO is going to be like Leads2List Pro, which is going to be at $47. A powerful autoresponder for Facebook comments that has helped generate tens of thousands of sales and leads for its customer. High converting product did 88,000 on launch. So this is kind of like a Facebook chatbot autoresponder, where when people reach out to you through your Facebook Messenger, this autoresponder is going to be automatically replying their questions. Okay, so you can set it up the questions, set it up the answer, I'm sorry, and they are going to be working for you on complete autopilot. Okay, this is at $47. The last OTO is going to be TubeTarget Pro, which is at $47. A powerful YouTube Ads SAAS that will enable YouTube advertiser to successfully use placement targeting, a high converting product, and it did $96,000 on launch. Okay, so these are some of the earlier products or softwares which they are selling you in the upsells. Now, if you can, if I were on your place, what I would do is I would get the first OTO, surely, because it has unlimited campaigns, unlimited autoresponders, and unlimited list. Okay, then I would also, if I have a local client, I would get this, but I don't have it. I mean, I don't work in the local client area, so I would not get it. But I would certainly get this because there's a lot of engagement through Facebook. Leads2List Pro is going to be really something which I would be definitely interested in. So in my opinion, I would get the first OTO and the third OTO. The first for $67 and $47 is the third OTO. Now it depends on you, whichever suits your business, you can get it. Okay, now let me share with you what I'm offering as a bonus. Now, when you store your leads into your autoresponder over here, what would happen is, on a long-term basis, if you're using some kind of a Weber or GetResponse, there is a chance that these companies may ban you, because it has happened with me. So you always want to safeguard your leads. Okay, so one of the great way to do is having a self-hosted autoresponder, and most of the big marketers today do have their own self-hosted autoresponder, so that they can mail their own list anytime. The full control is under their hands. Okay, so when you go out and search for a self-hosted autoresponder, a lot of people charge a lot of money. Like they charge $200 to $500 just to set it up. What I'm going to be giving you is, first off, is a bonus just to get the front end of Ads2List. Okay, and the charges that this guy is going to get for you is $50 for 150,000 emails per month. That means if you have a list of 5,000, you can, 150,000 you can send for 30 days. You can send 5,000 emails every single day. Okay, so let me show you my self-hosted autoresponder. I'm going to log in inside, and I'm going to be showing you live demo of how this email reach the inbox. Okay, so I have like close to 30K subscribers in here. I'm going to go to all my campaigns. Okay, and here I'm going to be showing you that in the VR updates column in my Gmail account, and I'm going to be showing you that I am just copying the one of the earlier emails which I had set it up, and I'm going to be sending that email right in front of you. Okay, just give me a sec for my page to load. Okay, I waited for 5 minutes. I paused this video, but I do apologize that I think there's a server updating on his side, the guy who provides me the services. So I do apologize for that, but I'm going to be surely making a demo video for you to exactly know how this service can really help you. Okay, so the demo video for the self-hosted autoresponder is going to be in the description. Please make sure to check it out so that you know what kind of a value I'm giving you as a bonus to get Ads2List. Okay, now this is an example of the email that I have sent to this services self-hosted autoresponder, and you can see there is a server update that is going on. So potentially he's using his services. I don't know if it's Amazon SAAS or anything like that. I don't care. The main important thing I get to see is my emails are heading the inbox, even with some kind of a spammy headlines. Okay, so that is really important for me, and this is really a spammy email which But my list is verified, so they have given me the permission to email my list, so I don't have any issue with that. But if you kind of a guy who has bought a list from Fiverr.com or any other illegal source, then it's going to be really hard for you. Okay, so for those people who are spamming, this services is not for you. Okay, you're going to be kicked off really quickly. Okay, and you can see we have a clean email, and I have also have an email disclaimer where I share with them how they have subscribed to my list. If you want, I can also give you this template, and this template has never got me in any problem. Okay, I also tell them that I might get commissions that could put money into my pocket, FTC guidelines, all the disclaimer template. I can give you this template. Okay, so if you're interested, let me know on my Facebook. So this is a bonus which I'm going to be giving you to get ads to list through the link right below this video. Now, the most important thing is the launch is for 7 days, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you these bonuses only up until the launch ends. After the launch ends, I'm going to be charging it, it's up to 26 months. I'm going to be charging it like for $100 for the services. Okay, so this is something that you can get it a really cheap price. During the launch, you can get it at like front-end price, and you can get my bonuses. But if you come to me after 26th of March, then it's going to be like $100 for these services. Okay, and you can upload unlimited list, unlimited email, not unlimited emails. There is a pricing for that. 150,000 emails in 1 month for $50. Okay, that is the pricing for that. So if you have a list of 5,000 people, you can email them for 30 days, one email a day. So 5,000 into 30 is like 150,000 emails in a month. And the emails are going to be hitting the inbox in most cases. Okay, this is the bonus which I'm going to be giving you. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you the demo of Ads2List, the self-hosted software, self-hosted autoresponder right below this video in the description. So make sure whenever the server gets updated, I'm going to be making the video for that, and I'm going to be putting it right below this video. Okay, so make sure to check it out. When you get ads to list through the link right below this video, make sure to reach out to me to Facebook. My Facebook link is given below the description. Make sure to message me. Send me your payment receipt. I'm going to be verifying that receipt, and then I'm going to be sharing with you the guy, because it's really worth to get. You would not understand why I'm really strict about giving away these bonuses, because this guy has helped me a lot, and I truly value his time and his services. Okay, so that is why I'm truly want to give you really worth what you're buying with Ads2List. Okay, so make sure to reach out to me on Facebook, message me there, and let me know if you have any problem, if you have any issues with Ads2List, as well as my bonus. Okay, understand, my friend, the bonuses are only available during the launch up until 26th of March 2020. Okay, so make sure. After that, of course, you're going to be getting the bonus like self-hosted autoresponder, but it's going to be charged like $100 for these services. Okay, so this was my review for Ads2List. Let me know how you like it. If you like this, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like, so that I can improve myself in my next review video. Okay, thank you so much. You can, if you're seeing this video during the pre-launch period, you can make sure to click the link below this video and subscribe to this list, early bird list, so that you will be the first to get notified when the offer goes live, and you can get the best cheap price. Okay, so thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye.